Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to search keyword on vidIQ app. So you can see I've just clicked on vidIQ app. From there you can see on the bottom side of it, let it open. You can see home, daily ideas, then research. You go to research, write any keyword. Suppose if I'm making a video on graphic designing tool, so I'll write graphic designing tool, okay, and we'll be searching it. Here you can see overall score and everything. So you can see volume, it's 36. Competition medium. Don't go for high competition, go for medium or low competition. Or it's better if I talk about this volume line, you can see one bar. So bar should be from yellow to green. Okay, so there are like you can see you can consider last right side 3 colors. So if it is like any color out of these right side like 3 color, then you can go for it. So it's good to go to cover such a video where volume is above say 36 or 40. It's better if it is covering last 3 lines. You can see right side, from right side 3 blocks you can consider. And competition should be medium to low, it should not towards medium to high. And if it is high, then consider a volume of around lakhs or at least millions, like at least lakhs or millions, so that your video can also be considered in among other videos. So other than this, let's see one other thing is let me search for any other keyword. Let's write guitar tutorial. Okay, so here you can see acoustic guitar, how to play guitar lesson, electric guitar, 1000 years guitar tutorial, Christina Perry, like 1000 year and I have loved you for 1000 year. That song is too good actually, so a lot of people are covering this song. Then how do I say goodbye when it comes to guitar tutorials. Then you can see consider a lot of songs like then it's like that Imran Hashmi movie song. What Avarapan, there are a lot of songs that you can consider of. Tera Yakeen Kyun Maine Kiya Nahi. So there are a lot of songs that you can consider. Like if like I am a guitar player, so I play guitar. It's been too long, around 1.5 year to 2 years, and I am also going to share the videos with all of you, starting from the basic of it. Say what is guitar, how do we hold it, and what are the parts of it and everything. Then and after that we'll be sharing from basics, finger exercise. And then if you want to play guitar by using your fingers instead of plectrum, so I will be giving you some tips, because I have made it possible within I think 8 to 10 days. I was just using plectrum, and then I switched. I was just wanted to play it like by using my fingers, so I just threw it through the plectrum and started playing it from my fingers. And it was like a kind of say exercise. The more exercise you will do, the more say betterment, or the more cleanliness will be you can see while playing your guitar. So I will be sharing this kind of video. So yeah, so okay, let's not get into that topic. So our keyword was guitar tutorial. So you can see it right here, acoustic guitar, and how to play, a lot of keywords. You can also click on view all related keywords. From here you can see it everything, right? So you can just copy it, you can select all, or maybe you can select selected one, whoever like whatever keywords you want to select, just go for it, click there, select it, and then paste it in your keyword part. So yeah, that's something great thing about this vidIQ app. And also if you have not any, say you have not bought any subscription of them, so you can just go for 3 daily ideas. If I talk about my daily ideas, it's like hello Google, Parrot, but right now I'm just focusing on my niche and not making any video on Parrot. And for this pet lover thing, I have a separate channel where I used to post content of my personal pets, like whatever pets I am having at my home. So I used to make videos and share it. So you can search like that thing also. So yeah, you can just write Shraddha Pandey then Parrot, something like this. So other than this channel, you can find one more. I think it's like Shraddha Pandey then some number 752 or something, I don't remember. So you can easily get it from Shraddha Pandey Parrot kind of keywords. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, okay, you can see daily ideas like 3. So if you are not liking it, you can dismiss it. in love with that. Again, that's the same. So I'm getting more because I'm using pro version, right? That's why I'm getting a lot of such keywords, and they are just sharing these bird kind of keyword. So upgrade means they are asking me to upgrade from pro version to their boost version, but right now I'm fine with pro version, so I don't need it. So I'm not at all going to upgrade it. So yeah, just utilize these features. You can see it, and just you can like utilize it, right? You can also add your competitors, and you can keep on watching their content, their like way of sharing videos, making, you can take insights from them and then make a original video of yours. You can choose the, maybe you can choose the topic, but make sure that you are putting your knowledge, your content also. It's not like just copying paste from other creators. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. I am going to come up coming up soon with my guitar tutorials within this week itself, maybe from Saturday, or yeah, from Saturday or Sunday. You can watch my guitar tutorials video also. So just stay tuned and comment below if you want me to cover any particular song or any particular topic, about say related to anything that I am covering right now, and including guitar tutorial. Just let me know. I will try my best to cover that topic too. So stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.